IFT Hair Science.
The best hairline artist.
Actually, Dr. Sharma asked me to just roam around Pink City with his team and come back because my operation is tomorrow. So he said that I already done all the test, allergy test, blood test, everything. Now he said that just roam around Pink City, and he have given all the facilities, car, driver, and his team. Hello, my name is Abdul Jalil. Actually, I am coming from Dubai. Actually, I am facing hair loss, hair fall issues since last 2 years. Suddenly, when I seen him, I seen a lot of drastic changes in his face and his head, and he got a lot of beautiful grown hair. So I just checked with him, Rafat, how it a miracle happened? How this you done? He said that he gone to Jaipur, one clinic, and he done the hair transplant. So basically, I wanted to know the more details of this hair transplant center. But ultimately I reached to IFT, and I was very satisfied by the reviews, and I have seen so many videos on YouTube, and these all, I understood that these all were not a fake video not for making reviews. It was a genuine. Then I decided to stay 1 week in Jaipur and to do this transplant and go back. Hello guys, so finally the day came. Today is my hair transplant day. I'm very excited and going to start the transplant very soon.
Now you can book an online video consultation with our expert by clicking on the number given in description.
Okay, so finally my transplant is over. It was yesterday, and it was a very long session. in one session they have completed. It started from 9 o'clock and ended at 9 p.m. at night. So almost 12 hours session. But the session was very good, and the staffs and the doctors were very cooperative. I think almost 2 or 3 doctors were there in my transplant session. Also 3 or 4 nurses, and everyone were very cooperative. And now today I have done a head wash, and also it is getting healed the donor area, and you will get a little bit of swelling, but within 2-3 days it will subside, and the rest all is going well, and crafts are good now. And today I'm traveling back to my home, and that's all. So I recommend everyone to visit IFT for a better hair transplant. Thank you.